So I'm under the car with the control arm installed now. And after installing it with everything square, as I explained before, when I did that, things didn't look right on this end. They were turned again. It just didn't look right. So what I did was loosen the nut again, straighten things out on both sides, so that looks square in the subframe mount. And that looks square in the knuckle mount. And then I retightened everything. So I'm gonna go with this for now. I hope, that's what it works out in the end and there's no more issues with the joints. So I will report back anything as I find it, but this is where I'm leaving it for now and gonna drive it, see how it works out.